making Magnolia, the perfect summer dessert. Add 200 grams of powdered sugar, 3 heaping tablespoons of flour, and 3 heaping tablespoons of cornstarch to a pot and mix them together. Add 1 egg on top. You can get it from L Markets. Mix it and put it on the stove. Stirring constantly over low heat, wait for it to thicken and come to a boil. Then, remove it from the stove and transfer it to another bowl to cool faster. To make it even tastier, add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 packet of vanilla sugar. Stir until the butter is completely melted. Cover it with plastic wrap and wait for it to cool completely. After it has cooled, add 200 grams of cream and mix with a mixer.